Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message and emails on swipe pages form submission. So let's suppose I'm running a fitness center and I'm using swipe pages to promote that. Now I want whenever a potential leads fills a form on swipe pages, I should automatically send quick follow-up via WhatsApp and then through email. So I can completely automate this process, and to do that I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between swipe pages, AI Sensei and Gmail. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take swipe pages from where I will receive new form submission, and then in my action application I will take AI Sensei with the help of which I will send WhatsApp message, and then I will take Gmail with the help of which I am going to send emails. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message and email on swipe pages form submission. For this, we are going to create automation between swipe pages, AI Sensei and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here, and then all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So let's say the name of my workflow is automatically send WhatsApp message and emails on swipe pages form submission. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message and email on swipe pages form submission, which means whenever a form will be submitted, a automated WhatsApp message and email will be sent, which means whenever a form submission will be made, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take swipe pages, and then in my trigger event, I will take new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and swipe pages, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my swipe pages with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my swipe pages. So this is my swipe pages account, and these are the forms that have been created. I want to use this Pabbly Fitness, so I will open this form. And then I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this integrations, and then I have to click on this get started. Here I can see create new workflow. I have to click on this. And then I have to give the workflow name. So let's say this is the name of a workflow, and then I have to click on this next. Now over here on the left hand side, I can see these options of triggers and actions. So my workflow should be triggered whenever a form submission has been made. So here I will drag this form submitted box, and then in my action I want this send webhook. So I will drag that over here. Now I have to make connection between these two, and then I have to click on this form submitted. So over here I can see pages and funnel, so I have to select my page. I want to select this as the selected page, and then I have to select this as Pabbly Fitness. Now in the funnel, I just want to select this as none, and then click on next. Now I have to add my webhooks. For that I have to click on the send webhook, and over here I can see this webhook URL. So I have to copy the webhook URL that I am provided in my Pabbly Connect. So I'll copy that webhook URL from here and paste that over here. Then I want to select my method as post, and to check whether my webhook has been added successfully or not, I have to click on this run a test, and then I have to click on this save changes. So as soon as I've clicked on run a test data should be sent to my Pabbly Connect. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and here I can see I have received the test response. The first name is John, the last name is Doe, email address is john@doe.com, and the phone number is this. So this means we have successfully received the test data and our webhook has been added successfully. Now I have to click on this recapture webhook response, and in this, do you wish to recapture the response? For that I have to click on this yes, and then go back to swipe pages and turn on this inactive to active. So your workflow is successfully activated. Now I have to go back, and here this was my page, so I'll open this, and this is my form link. So I'll open that, and here I have to submit a dummy response in my form. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, email address is new326@pabblytudes.com. My phone number is this, age is 23, and my gender is female. So now I have to submit this form, and I have successfully submitted this form. Now I have to go to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received this response there or not. And here I can see I have instantly received the response. My first name was new, my last name is user, my phone number was this, gender is female, age is 23, and the email is new326@pabblytudes.com. This means swipe pages is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have received the response successfully. Now whenever someone submits the form and I receive response in my Pabbly Connect, I want to send WhatsApp message to them. For that, in my action application, I will take AI Sensei. And then in my action event, I'll click on this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And to build this connection, we have to enter the API key. So it's written, enter the API key here from your AI Sensei account. To obtain the API key, log into your AI Sensei account. Navigate to manage section, then go to API key and then click on generate API button. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this manage, and then on the left hand side itself I can see this API option. So here is my API key, and I simply have to copy this and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are connected, and now I have to enter these details. So I have to enter the campaign name first, and to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. And on the left hand side I can see this manage option. I will open this, and from all of these options I have to click on this all option, and this is the template that I have created by the name fitness. So I'll open this. Hi demo, I have used custom variable which will keep changing whenever I receive a new response. So this will keep changing with the name of the new response. So hi demo, thank you for your interest in joining our fitness studio. We are excited to offer you a special promotion on your membership. For more details, check your email or reply to this message. Let's get you started on your fitness journey. So this is my template, and this is the WhatsApp message that I want to send. And to send this, I have to create a campaign. For that, I'll go to campaign from the left hand side. And then over here, I can see this launch option on the top. From here, I will click on this API campaign. And then in my campaign name, I want to give the name as, let's say, fitness. And then in my template, I have to select the template. So this was my template by the name fitness. So this is the same template. Here you can see that. And I have already created it by the name fitness. And the status here is live. So I will copy this name of the campaign. Here you can see the same template, and paste that over here. Now I have to enter the mobile number, and to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from my swipe pages, so I'll click on the swipe pages and enter my mobile number that I have received from there. Now I have to enter the username. So my username was new user. I'll enter my first name and then my last name and then put space between these two. Now I have to enter the template parameter. So it's written enter the parameter values to be filled in template message here. The parameter should be comma separated, example this. So as you have seen, I just have one custom variable which will be replaced whenever I will receive new response, and this will be replaced for the name of the customer. So over here I just have the name of the customer as my template parameter, but if I had more, I should have put comma and then enter the other parameters. Now as source, tags, attributes, URL, file name are not required fields, so I am simply skipping this. And for now I am going to erase this phone number as this is a dummy phone number, and I will enter my own WhatsApp number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message that I will receive when I run this workflow. So now that I have entered my phone number, I'll scroll down and simply click on the save and send test request. So here we can see we have received the response, the status is true, and I have received the message ID. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the WhatsApp message there or not. So here I can see I have received the message. The custom variable that I have put here as demo has been replaced with the name of the customer. Hi new user. Thank you for your interest in joining our fitness studio. We are excited to offer you a special promotion on your membership. So this is the same message template that we have created in AISense. Now that we have sent the WhatsApp message, I also want to send emails, and for that I have to click on this action step and then I have to search for Gmail. Now in my action event, I'll take send email v1. Now I have to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Gmail. Then I have to enter my account and then I have to grant away some permissions, for which I have to click on this allow, and I can do that because my data is saved with Pabbly Connect. And authorization successful. So Gmail is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. The first one is recipient email address, and to enter this I am again going to use mapping. So I have received my response from swipe pages. So same as that I have done in my previous action step, I will follow the same process and over here enter my email as this one, new326@pabblytudes.com. Then I have to enter the sender name. So let's say the name of the sender is Pabbly. And then I have to enter the email subject. Welcome to Fitness Journey is the email subject. And then I want to select my email content type as plain. And then I am skipping this reply to because I do not want to reply to anyone. And then in my email content, I have to enter the content. So here I have entered my email content. Hi, thank you for reaching out. We are thrilled to have you consider joining our fitness community. Here are the details, and then we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. So now I am going to make this a little personalized and add the name of the customer. For that I am going to use mapping. So as I have done in my previous steps, I will click on the swipe pages and then enter the name of the user. So the name was new user. I'll enter the first name and last name and then put space between these two. So here file name and attachment are not required fields, so I'm skipping this. Here I have entered the email content. My email content type is plain. If you want, you can select the HTML and then you have to enter the HTML content. So I have entered the email subject, welcome to Fitness Journey, the sender name and the recipient address. Now I simply have to scroll down and click on this save and send test request. So here we can see we have received the response. Now I need to open my Gmail and check whether I have received the same mail there or not. So here I can see I have received the mail. My subject was welcome to Fitness Journey, and this is the same mail that we have created, and this has been sent to this new user. Hi new user, thank you for reaching out. We are thrilled to have you consider joining our fitness community. So now to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open up swipe pages and fill some other form. So let's say this time my first name is, here my first name is latest, my last name is user, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, my phone number is this, age is this, and the gender is male. Now I have to click on the submit. So I have submitted a form. Now I should have received the WhatsApp message and the mail. So let's open my WhatsApp, and here I can see I have received the message for this latest user also. And here I can see this has been replaced with the name of the customer. Hi latest user, thank you for your interest in joining our fitness studio. Now let's open our mail. And I have also received the mail, "Hi latest user, thank you for reaching out," and this is the same mail that we have drafted in our workflow. So now to summarize, we took Swipe Pages as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a form and received the response here. After which we took WhatsApp by AI Sensi as our action application with the help of which we are going to send WhatsApp messages. We entered the campaign name and then the mobile number, entered the username and the template parameters, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response, after which we took our action application as Gmail because we also want to send emails to all our customers. So here we took Gmail, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the email address to which we want to send this mail, entered the subject and the content, simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as this mail being sent to my email address. So we have successfully created automation between Swipe Pages, WhatsApp by AI Sensi and Gmail with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.